Hey there, plant enthusiasts and farming enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the mesmerizing world of gardening and farming with me.
Zone 7, B. A place where the seasons dance with a gentle rhythm, creating a symphony of colors and scents that change with each passing month, where winters whisper with a soft blanket of snow, and summers hum with the busy buzz of bees and the warmth of the sun. It's a gardener's dream, a place of fertile ground and abundant sunshine, where every seed has the potential to grow into something magnificent. From the rolling hills to the sun-drenched valleys, Zone 7B offers a haven for plants and those who love to nurture them, providing the perfect conditions for a wide variety of flora. Imagine stepping outside on a crisp spring morning, the air filled with the scent of damp earth and the promise of new life. The garden is waking up, ready to burst into a riot of colors and fragrances. This is Zone 7B, where the soil is alive with possibility, teeming with earthworms and nutrients that make it a fertile playground for gardeners. Here, we can grow a bounty of fruits, vegetables, and flowers, each with its own unique charm and character. From the first buds of spring to the rich harvests of autumn, the garden is a place of constant growth and renewal. Zone 7B is a place of endless variety, where the diversity of plant life is as vast as the imagination of the gardener. It's a region where you can grow anything from juicy tomatoes to fragrant lavender, each plant thriving in the unique climate and soil conditions. From crisp lettuce to vibrant sunflowers, the garden is a canvas for nature's artistry. The possibilities are as boundless as the imagination, with each plant adding its own touch to the garden's tapestry. So, let's delve into this wonderful world of gardening in Zone 7B and discover the secrets to creating a thriving and abundant garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, there's always something new to learn and enjoy in this gardener's paradise. Timing is everything in gardening, especially when it comes to harvesting. Knowing when to plant, water, and harvest can make all the difference in the success of your garden. Take chives, for instance. These versatile herbs are a delight to have in the garden, offering a burst of fresh flavor to any dish. They are easy to grow and can thrive in a variety of conditions, making them a favorite among gardeners. The key is to harvest them regularly, snipping off the leaves just above the soil line. This not only keeps the plant healthy, but also encourages it to produce more leaves, ensuring you have a steady supply of chives. This encourages new growth and ensures a continuous supply of fresh chives throughout the growing season. Regular harvesting can also prevent the plant from becoming too woody and losing its flavor. Now, about those bananas. Sadly, our beloved Zone 7B isn't quite tropical enough to support banana plantations. The climate here simply doesn't provide the warmth and humidity that bananas need to thrive. But fear not, fellow gardeners. We can still enjoy the taste of homegrown bananas, albeit in a slightly different form. With a bit of creativity and the right plant varieties, you can bring a touch of the tropics to your garden. Did you know that there are cold, hardy banana varieties that can tolerate the cooler temperatures of Zone 7B? These varieties, like the Musa Basju, are specially adapted to survive in less than tropical climates. These varieties, like the Musa Basju, may not produce edible fruit, but their large, tropical-looking leaves add a touch of the exotic to any garden. Their lush foliage can create a tropical oasis, even in cooler climates. So while we may not be harvesting bunches of bananas in Zone 7B, we can still enjoy the beauty and resilience of these remarkable plants. By combining the practicality of chives with the exotic appeal of banana plants, you can create a garden that is both functional and visually stunning. Let's venture beyond the familiar and explore the extraordinary world of unique harvests. These are the crops that defy expectations and bring a touch of the exotic to our gardens and tables. Cranberries, those tart little berries, thrive in acidic bogs, a far cry from the typical Zone 7B garden. These vibrant red gems are not just a holiday staple, but a testament to nature's adaptability. But don't despair. We can recreate those bog-like conditions in raised beds, using a mixture of peat moss and acidic soil amendments. With a bit of effort, you can enjoy fresh cranberries right from your backyard. Rubber, the lifeblood of tires and countless other products, comes from the sap of rubber trees. These trees, native to tropical climates, produce a substance that has revolutionized industries worldwide. While these tropical giants aren't suited for Zone 7B's climate, we can still marvel at the ingenuity of rubber tapping and appreciate the journey of this remarkable material. The process of extracting sap and transforming it into rubber is a fascinating blend of nature and human innovation. And then there's honey, liquid gold produced by industrious bees. This sweet nectar is not only a delicious treat, but also a symbol of the intricate relationship between plants and pollinators. Beekeeping, a rewarding and fascinating hobby, is well suited for Zone 7B. By tending to a hive, you become part of an ancient tradition that supports biodiversity and food production. By providing a home for these buzzing pollinators, we not only reap the sweet rewards of honey, but also contribute to the health of our local ecosystem. Bees play a crucial role in pollinating many of the plants we rely on, making beekeeping a vital practice for sustainable gardening. Water, the lifeblood of our gardens, is a precious resource we must cherish. Rainwater harvesting, an ancient practice experiencing a modern revival, offers a sustainable and efficient way to water our gardens. Imagine collecting the gentle rain showers from your roof and storing them for drier days. Setting up a rainwater harvesting system is simpler than you might think. A rain barrel, connected to your downspout, can collect hundreds of gallons of water throughout the year. This free, chemical-free water is a gift from the skies, perfect for nourishing our plants and reducing our reliance on municipal water sources. Now, let's talk about a different kind of harvesting: tax loss harvesting. While not directly related to our gardens, this financial strategy can be particularly beneficial for avid gardeners who sell their produce or plants. Tax loss harvesting involves selling losing investments to offset capital gains. This strategy can be applied to gardening businesses as well. By selling off underperforming plants or equipment at a loss, gardeners can potentially reduce their tax liability. It's important to consult with a financial advisor to determine if tax loss harvesting is right for your individual circumstances. After all, we want our gardens to flourish both financially and botanically. Section 6. Essential tools, from trowel to tractor. Every gardener needs a trusty set of tools to tend to their green haven. For smaller gardens, a hand trowel, a hand rake, and a pair of pruning shears are essential. These basic tools allow us to plant, weed, and prune with precision and care. As our gardens grow, so do our tool collections. Wheelbarrows become indispensable for transporting soil, compost, and plants. Shovels and spades make light work of heavier digging tasks, and for larger-scale operations, tillers and tractors can save time and effort. Section 7. Sustainable practices. Nurturing nature's bounty. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a way of life, a connection to the earth and its rhythms. As stewards of our gardens, we have a responsibility to nurture nature's bounty while minimizing our impact on the environment. Sustainable gardening practices, such as composting, cover cropping, and crop rotation, help us achieve this balance. Composting transforms kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich black gold for our gardens. Cover cropping protects and enriches the soil during the off-season. Crop rotation helps prevent soil depletion and reduces pest problems. By embracing these practices, we create a harmonious and sustainable gardening ecosystem. Section 8. Sharing the knowledge, spreading the gardening love. Gardening is a journey of continuous learning and discovery. As we gain experience and knowledge, it's important to share our passion with others. Whether it's teaching a child how to plant a seed or sharing our surplus harvest with neighbors, spreading the gardening love brings joy and fosters a sense of community. Join a local gardening club, volunteer at a community garden, or simply strike up a conversation with a fellow gardener at the nursery. Together, we can cultivate a greener and more connected world, one garden at a time. Section 9. Conclusion. A world of growth awaits. As we've journeyed through the world of Zone 7B gardening, from harvesting chives to embracing sustainable practices, we've discovered a world of growth, both in our gardens and within ourselves. So, let's put on our gardening gloves, step outside into the fresh air, and get our hands dirty. A world of growth awaits, and it all starts in our own backyards.